Good morning, everyone. This is Prem's crypto market update for October 6th, 2018. Welcome, everyone. Market has not changed. If you look at Bitcoin, it's up a little bit now, doing at 66.16. It's up 0.7%. And if we look at the top 10 coins, we can only see Ethereum up 2.6%, now doing $227. And the rest is kind of 1% up in general. Cardano is up 2%, 2.1% in total. The market cap is right now $220 billion. And if we look at the volume has dropped significantly. Now it did in the last 24 hours, it did $11.4 billion. All right, so let's see which coins did very well. If we look, Digitech futures did 50% up. So they're definitely going on something up there. Maker up 16%, Bitcoin Gold up 16%, and Loom Network up 13%. Chainlink up 11%. All right, which coins didn't do that well? Actually, there are not that many. So Dentacoin down 3%, Mixin down 2.8%, and Nexo down 1.36%. All right, let's go to the news. So the news comes actually from Yale University, set to invest 400 million Paradigm crypto fund. So the news is basically the chief investment officer, David Swenson, has invested in a crypto fund, basically. And they've also, as a university, invented in Andreessen Horowitz 300 million crypto fund. So there's a lot of words on the street, I mean Twitter, where basically people are talking about how Yale University basically jumped into this crypto world by investing so much money into these kind of projects. So the report suggests that Yale, which boasts a second largest endowment among educational students, I think they're $25.4 billion worth, was among the investors that helped the Paradigm raise 400 million in the last several months. So it's really amazing that Yale, one of the most capital-rich institutions in America, is basically putting in money into this fund. All right, the next news comes from Bitmain. Bitmain acquires a Bitcoin Cash wallet. It is called Telescope. Telescope is a open source browser which basically announced the acquisition by Bitmain Technologies. And as you know, Bitmain is doing a mega IPO in Hong Kong. They are the largest crypto mining rig manufacturer, and they are running one of the biggest mining pools in the world. So they have basically bought a Telescope, and this was started by a former IBM software engineer, Aaron Angert, and he supports basically BitPay and Money Button. I think a bit move again from our friends Bitmain, basically. And the next news is again from Bitmain, basically, because China-based crypto exchange CoinEx pays interest in Bitcoin Cash. So crypto exchange CoinEx will pay out long-term dividends, interest, Bitcoin and in Bitcoin Cash for CoinEx tokens holders. So you have to hold CoinEx tokens, and that is something which will give you Bitcoin Cash according to their website. So CoinEx, if you do not know, is also owned by BitMax. So BitMax is also owned by Bitmain, and so this is part of their activities. Bitmain is really, really huge, and they have got ownership of CoinEx, and they are really rolling the market right now. And of course, having the biggest pools out of there. So the next news is that Circle acquires crowdfunding platform and broker dealer Seed Invest. So cryptocurrency finance company Circle Internet Financial Limited has acquired equity crowdfunding and platform and broker dealer Seed Invest, according to an announcement on 5th of October, and the terms were not disclosed. So, New York-based Seed Invest was founded in 2012 as a startup for investing platform. Since then, the company has raised 220 firms through more than 240,000 investors. The average investment per company through Seed Invest has been between $500,000 to $2 million. So it's really good news for Circle that they're becoming bigger. The next news is something from Twitter. You might be familiar with one of the biggest crypto funds out there, which is Pantera. And I was just, stunned at the numbers, basically, where the August performance for this digital asset fund, which is by Pantera, is giving its number that year to date they have fallen 72.7%. So that's something, which is quite painful to publish such kind of news. But yeah, Pantera, one of the leading crypto funds out of there, is definitely has to do this. All right, this was the news for today. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Thank you.